Hey guys, it's Maria with WTI. I have a kindergartner who really works well with this book.
This book has a lot of different content in it. Even though it's math, it's so many different types of math. What's missing, what's different, what objects are small enough or weigh less than this or that. I really love that you can draw pictures with your kids in there. It has length as measurements. It's really awesome. My daughter loves to compare. She's learning patterns, addition, subtraction, how to write different math equations. It's so many different options and pages that you can look at. The book is colorful and super interactive. Really, the kid could work on their own independently.
So if you're looking for something to supplement your curriculum, to start practicing things with your child, if you're a homeschool mom like me, I really love this book. I would highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.